GITEX Global 2022. Here with me is Jaya Bhatia, who is the CEO of Expert Robotics. So, Expert Hub Robotics, tell me more about your venture and about you, madam.
All right. Robots not only attract but also interact wisely with the customers, and that's exactly what you can see. There is a whole range of robots that we offer. Sandbot, we have Pudu with us, we have Cruiser, which is one of the leading robots having English and Arabic features. At the same time, we've got SoftBank Pepper for rentals, and we have the Garrow Sandbot Max having possibilities of over 16 attachments along with it and has English and Arabic versions. Similarly, we have Mitra from India, which is here with Mitra and Mitri, and they have over 107 softwares. So as an Experthub Robotics, we offer almost 3,000 robotic solutions for renting or for owning one. If you want to purchase, we can also help you with that.
Okay, so how big is the team and what's the market size you see in this, robotics and our artificial intelligence?
Overall, we are a team of 100 plus professionals working on these softwares and hardwares. I've got over 38 robots and having over 308 softwares, overall making it to 3,000 plus robotic solutions.
Okay, great. So I can see a variety of robots here.
My favorite is Max, which basically has over 108 softwares within itself. Can talk about customer care, secretary, promoter, security. It's already serving as a police officer, as an Officer Hamad, if you have seen, and Hamda. These are two good officers. And again, at the same time, this robot offers you multiple attachments that it can bring along with it and is used very vividly. Can even take a patient or carry a person up to 85 kgs and can pull up to 300 kgs.
Okay, so I can see a chef robot over there.
Yes.
So how is it functioning?
So this is basically a software which walks you through the entire version of the menu. Can be done in English and Arabic, and it takes you through that. You can choose the menu, you can make your order, and your order will be served at the table.